So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start installing this kill mat. This is just some noise insulation. It reduces the sound, the tinny sound of the metal when you're going down the road. It's gonna help with outside noise as well. I will eventually do this floor as well, cover it all. We're gonna have a window here, small window, but what I'll do is I'll come do the ceiling, do in here, for sure do the fender wells. Fender wells are a big one. That's a window, so there's not too many spaces that need to be done because this is obviously a short van. I bought a few boxes, so we're gonna go ahead and start applying this. So how this works is you'll apply it, and if you can see, you see like all these little rectangles, these dimples, little bubbles. So once you apply it, you'll need to use like a roller. I can't find the other one, but there's a small little one roll handheld roller. But actually what I found works best for me, I have this left over from another project. This is for like glue stick, like stick vinyl flooring. It's got the little peel and stick tabs on it, and you roll it over, sticks together that way. This actually works way better. Obviously in smaller spaces you can't get it in. But so what you do is you'll roll it over until you can do, you can sit here for 30 minutes sometimes. Sometimes it's not worth it, but you can tell the difference of once you go over it, you try to make it as flat as possible. And that's how basically it works. The sound thing works. Okay, now moving on to the doors. So all doors, most of them have these little clips. So what I'll try to do is try to get a flathead. I'll try to pry it up a little bit, and then with trim removal tools, you can buy a whole kit. It's got like 4 or 5 tools in it. You'll kind of pull it. You don't want to pull it totally out, because what you'll do is you pull it out enough to where you can go underneath the big one, and this clip comes out just like that. So pry it out, knock it, pull it, don't break it. Won't be too rough, because you don't want to be too rough. And I mean, like, see. So what I'm doing is prying it out enough to where it's got a little bit of a lip. I can pull it, and then now it wants to come. There it is. This is out. Be careful dropping this, because although it feels pretty sturdy, it's not. The ends will break. So first day, everything got a bunch of kill mat. Then I've got this Noico, that's like a heat and cool type of insulation on the ceiling. I'll still have some kill mat to do. But for now, I think that's going to be it. What just came today are the roof rails, so I can install solar panels. So, need to do that. Maybe to finish the day off, I'll do roof rails. So when it comes to installing solar panels, there's obviously many different ways. You can screw them directly to the ceiling. You can put them on a roof rack. You can put them on solar bars, which I will be doing. So in that case, I need roof rails. This van didn't come with the OEM roof rails, just like our last van. So what I do is I buy off Amazon the VanTech roof rails. Really easy to install, really simple. They work great. Don't see any problem with them. So that's what I did here. Again, like I said, so they come in the box. Get the staples off. So there you go, that's the roof rails. So it comes with the little gasket that you'll apply to underneath. Comes with the bolts, nuts, washers, and little connectors, coupling connector. You've got all your accessories, the hardware, the nuts, bolts, washers, lock washer, and the end caps, and the couplings. So you will have an A and a B. The holes will line up top, so you know which one is A and B. And also they tell you on the actual rails A and B. To get things started, we need to go up on the roof because with these plugs, we need to remove those. So we'll cut around, pull the plug cap off, and then inside you see these little things right here. What we do is we need to push those off, break them off, do whatever, because those have to go. Because those are for, I think, the OEM rails, which these aren't the OEM rails. These are different. Just getting the scaffold up to hop up top to knock those plugs off. And I remembered what I did last time, which is so much easier. Actually going on the inside, taking a screwdriver that fits in the hole, and literally just hammering up, and it'll blow the top off of the plug. Then you can break the inner. That's what I'm gonna do. Doesn't matter that you're breaking that, because you're gonna have to remove them anyways. So let's see, let's use a smaller one, see what it does. It'll come. And quite literally, you're done. And you just gotta knock these off. Little plastic ends. That's it. Now that I've come through from the inside, I can come up top and I can just pull all of this excess off. Alright, that one's together. So now, let's go ahead. And so what it does is it actually screws in to the roof rail itself, so that as you screw this all the way in, then you can go by yourself on the inside and tighten it up from down below.